Hey traders, welcome to We Trade Waves weekly Forex forecast. Guys, I really hope all of you made money last week. Market was moving as expected for a lot of pairs. We've got a crazy moves, especially for DXY, pound yen, 4 waves in advance. No one can get that, by the way, just at We Trade Waves. US30, Bitcoin, dollar CAD, it was crazy. I'll show you all the proofs shortly. But anyway, all of you are new to We Trade Waves, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update. And as usual, let's start with EUR/dollar. For this one, I have started with this small presentation. You can read, guys, step by step from 1 till 5, but I can explain it shortly, I explain it quickly for you before we start the presentation. So for this one, last week we said from here, it was last Saturday, we said we are expecting market to push up. Even if market will go down to break this low, we will look for our buy setups. Why? This is based on We Trade Waves special wave analysis concept. So we knew that market will be pushing to the upside, and this is based on wave analysis and based on fundamental analysis as well. All right. So after this drop, this was on Monday, 1st of April, we've got this drop. Some of the new traders were commenting. I'm just hiding, guys, the name because I have nothing actually personally against the commenter. It can be anyone actually, but just I want to show you the comment. I want to show you how actually new traders or people who don't have knowledge, how they think and how actually they see the markets, okay? So here they said, or like he said, everybody knows that the market are pricing a bullish dollar. And we knew that the dollar will fall, all right? So in the world of trading, you don't have to be most traders. In other means, don't be most traders. That's the actually bottom line, okay? If everybody is expecting dollar to push up, you should look for sell setups. But of course, not blindly. You have to have a system. That's what we teach at We Trade Waves. So after this drop, markets start to push up. And also he said, We Trade Waves should advise the wave movement considering fundamentals. Those of you who don't know, we cover fundamentals, guys, in detail on every Sunday session. And just to show you how the Sunday sessions are recorded for We Trade Waves, let me show you this one. Those of you who don't know, this is how the Sunday sessions are conducted for We Trade Waves. All right, this is the agenda. And as you can see, by the way, Sunday sessions are conducted by T. He is one of the co-founders of We Trade Waves and a trading coach as well with me. And for this one, as you can see, we start with the geopolitics first of all on the Sunday sessions, every Sunday session. Those of you who want more details, you can check our website. But I'm just covering how the Sunday sessions are conducted and are covered. So we start with the geopolitics first of all. We cover the fundamental analysis and we go for technical analysis for all the charts. We go for the requests and the trades of the week as well. Okay. So in terms of the fundamental analysis, before we go to Saturday session, we do the analysis for the charts based on the wave analysis first. And we combine this with fundamental analysis, of course, because you need to combine them both. Anyway, after this drop, market started to push up. And here, some of you might be like, you know what, We Trade Waves are wrong. I need to sell. And if you go for the sell setup, you will lose big, okay? After this up, market start to push up and we emphasize on this up wave even on Wednesday session. The Wednesday session, again, it's for We Trade Waves. After this up wave, market went up here, guys, for more than 150 pips, roughly. It's big move, right, in 1 week. So before you start to criticize or before you say anything regarding wave analysis, I suggest you to go and watch our previous forecasts, at least 10 of them, just to see who are We Trade Waves. Do our due diligence, do your due diligence regarding us before you start to criticize. Again, for me, we are respecting everyone, we are respecting everybody, and thanks for your comment anyway, because this shows us how new traders think. So it will help us how to help you to succeed in trading more, okay? Let me hide everything. Let me go to 4 hours now and let's go back to our normal explanation. So for this one, let me just hide these ones quickly and go to the last week's forecast for EUR/dollar. Market was here and we said, let's go to this one, to EUR/dollar previous forecast. This is the before, okay? So for this one, last week, as you can see, this was posted 6 days ago. So we said, even if market pushed to the downside, we will be looking for our buy setups. So we can consider this is the before, okay? This was posted, guys, 6 days ago. If we go to the charts now, we go to this one here, look at this. Market dropped to the downside, and then after that, we started to get this up wave. Now, the good part is We Trade Waves got in the buy and made a lot of money trading this up wave. And if those of you who were following us get in the buy, you must have made money. We are happy for you. If you remember this forecast, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. Now, For this one, what's next, Alan? This was perfect, fantastic. Market moved to the upside. By the way, can you explain us why market pushed up here technically? Of course. We've got this up wave, this a corrective structure, and this up move. This was a three-wave structure, okay? So after that, market was correcting to the downside. Yes, it's a downtrend, but market makers, they need to push market to the upside to take the liquidity above this top, and this top. If we get now a corrective structure, market will push higher. So in terms of the bias, we are expecting market to push up. We are biased to the upside for euro dollar. All right? So in terms of the forecast, if we get a corrective structure here like this, we will be looking for the buy setups. By the way, this trap is not necessary for the structure, which means if we get a tiny corrective structure, the buy setup will be even valid. In terms of the levels, will be covered by T during the Sunday session. If you want more details, you can just go to the website to check the details regarding WW membership. Okay? So for $, I think it's clear. We are expecting market to push up. We're expecting market to push up. And if you made money, this is great. $, for this one, we are expecting market to go up again. And in all the cases, we're expecting market to push up even for this one. So what was the structure here, Alan? We've got this trap, corrective structure, this a running flat, and then a drop. After that, market is correcting, and then it's giving us this up wave. Now, two scenarios, guys, okay? Here, this might be an expanding flat for a corrective structure. Let me just remove this arrow for now just to explain this in detail. This is a potential expanding flat, which means one more drop is possible. If this happens, we will not sell $. We are bullish, we are biased to the upside, and any buy setup will go for it. This is one possibility, one opportunity. Even if that happens, we'll look for the buy setups, okay? Now, the next scenario, which is the high probable scenario for now, is market will push to the upside from here, even from this level to the upside, okay? So in all the cases, we are biased to the upside, we'll look for the buy setups. The levels will be covered by T during the Sunday session, all right? Gold for this one, even last week we said we are expecting market to push up. And by the way, this was a trade. This was 7-to-1 trade covered during one of the daily sessions as well. And you know that we're biased to the upside from here, right? The before is on our YouTube channel anyway. I'm repeating, those of you are new guys, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon to not miss any update, and keep watching till the end. For gold, if we go to this one, you should remember, let me just try to show you this one. So this was the before, right? From here we said market will push to the upside, and this was the big up wave 2 weeks ago, right? So this is the before, this is the after. Last week, which was here, we said market will correct. Let me show you the before. We said last week here, as you can see, all of you, market will correct for another push up, right? So we were biased to the upside for gold from here and from this level as well. So back to the chart just to go for the detail of this move and the levels step by step. From here to the upside, I show you actually how we made 7-to-1 in this trade, okay? So after that, market broke the top last week and we said market will correct for another up wave. So up and up, we're expecting gold to push up anyway. I show you the before and this is the after in front of you. The chart is in front of you. So for this one, what happened? Corrective structure and one will push up. The next level was 20, or the first reaction level was 2050 or 2250 and above, which is here. At this level, we've got reaction, we've got a drop, and it's not a small drop for gold, by the way. From here to here, it's almost 30 points, okay, 36 points. So for this one, after this drop, market started to push up. And we said during the sessions, if market will push up, the next reaction is 2280 to 2300. This is the levels, guys, okay? Look at this, 2280, which is here. Look at this one, 2280 and 2300, which is this one. This is the level where we will see reaction. After market breaks this top, we've got a corrective structure, and then we've got this up wave again. All right, so in other means, from here we'll bias to the upside, we've got this up wave. From here we'll bias to the upside, we've got corrective structure up again after this small reaction, and the next reaction was at 2300. Now, those of you are scalping gold, if you took a sell, you must have made money. And those of you are still in the buy, now you must be in big profits. All right? What after this up wave? Why market is pushing the upside? Now, the funny part is big banks, they started to say gold is going to 3K. Well, I think that's too late, right? We forecasted the up wave from here just to go back with you all the way to, let me go back in the daily chart just to show you. From here, if you remember, just I'm repeating this again and again. from here we knew that market will push to the upside even before the war, all right? So we said market will not break 1800, and a lot of you who still remember that, let me know in the comment section, okay? So we've got this up wave, corrective structure. This was 5 waves corrective structure here, and then this up wave. Fantastic. After that, we've got expanding flat, this up wave, and then this trap up. This is again 3-wave structure. It was double 3 if you remember, and then all the way up. Now, after this up wave, this wave is getting extended. What this means, anytime market can start to give us a corrective structure similar to this one, minimum, all right? So if you are in the buy, you must have made money. If you are not in the buy, buying from this level is suicide, okay? So if you ask me personally, any buy setup from here, I will certainly ignore it. No buy setups for gold from this level. At the same time, jumping in, it's like catching a falling knife, but in reverse, okay? So do not jump in. You have to look for sell setups. What we are expecting? We are expecting a pullback for gold to start anytime. And this pullback, it will take us all the way down to 2200 minimum, okay? So anytime we get a sell setup for gold, we will go for it. If you are an investor, if you are holding physical gold, it's a different story. You have also to sell some. Now, for this one, after we get this corrective structure, we'll update you. But because it's a weekly forecast, any sell setup we get, we'll go for it. Will this be one of our trades of the week? We'll let you know during the Sunday session. What are the levels, where we will enter, where we will exit? Also, we'll cover this during the Sunday session. That will be covered by tomorrow starting 12 p.m. UK time or at 12 p.m. UK time. So for that, I gave you actually the before, I gave you the after, and I gave you what we are expecting next for gold. DXY, this was again fantastic, crazy forecast to the point, and 2 waves in advance. Anyway, let's go back to the before just to show you. This was DXY. This was again last week's forecast. Let me show you this one. Let me play it. Look at this. We said market will push to the upside and then it will fall back down, right? So back to the charts. Look at this one. Market went to the upside here, and then after this up wave, you've got this trap. It's crazy, right? Even if some of the traders were forecasting this to go all the way up to break this top and the previous tops, we said no. Market will go to the upside, break this top, and then fall after. And this is the market in front of you, right? This is only, guys, at weighted waves. I'm repeating why we have this high accuracy, because our weighted waves wave analysis concept is a special and unique concept. You can learn it by joining Weighted Waves membership. How you can join us? Check all the details on our website, okay? So for this one, I really hope all of you made money trading this drop. And what's next? We are expecting market now to give us another drop. Yes, this might be a potential expanding flat. We cannot see this for now. If this will happen, we'll be wrong into this one, which will be totally fine. But we're expecting market to drop, and we're expecting market to give us this drop. In other means, we are bearish for the XY. We are expecting market to drop, and we'll look for our sell setups only. Aussie dollar for this one, again, it's like all the other majors. Market gave us this up wave. It was perfect and fantastic. What's next? If we get a corrective structure, another push up will be coming. I'm repeating, will not be right, guys, all the times. We might be wrong anytime, and market can fall all the way to break this low once more. If that happens, we'll look for the buy setups again. All right? In all the cases, we are bullish for Aussie dollar. We are expecting market to push up, and we will look for our buy setups only. Dollar Swiss for this one, we're expecting market to fall, and even if we get this up wave, one more fall will be coming. In all the cases for dollar Swiss, we are expecting market to drop, and we'll look for our sell setups only. US oil, we said last week, this is a continuation pattern, right? So up, corrective structure up, and all Elliott waivers who will start from here. I'm not criticizing, I'm just explaining how you can actually know what most traders do or what most traders are doing, and then predict the next wave. Guys, weighted wave analysis concept is actually understanding the mass psychology of all market participants, from the market makers to big banks to investment banks to retail traders to everybody. Some of you may be saying, Alan, like how this is possible? Like how you guys know that? It's logical. Everything is logical. Nothing is magical here. We don't have any crystal balls, but this is the reality. Okay? If you know how to read the charts correctly and you combine, the charts are the reality. So if you know how to read the structures correctly, you'll be able to predict the next wave. At the same time, we are combining this with fundamental analysis. You get me? So this is the reality. Everything will be plotted on the charts. That's the logic behind it, okay? That's why weighted wave analysis concept is working, because we are combining more than one successful concept. It's not just Elliott waves or Dow theory or smart money concept. We are combining more than one successful concept with our findings. Again, if you want to learn that, you know how to learn it, or you know how to join, just check the website and you join us. By the way, next week, I'll give the Q&A session for April. It will be on Wednesday at 7 p.m. UK time. During the Q&A sessions, guys, we take your questions and I'll cover the charts in details. I go for the top-down analysis and I'll cover what are the big moves for the next few months. So if you want to get access to it, join the membership, guys. You will get everything inside the website anyway. So back to the charts, back to US oil. Last week we said we are expecting market to give us this upwave as a continuation pattern. It's an uptrend, and this is the before, by the way. If I go to this one, let's check this. This is the last week's forecast. Look at this one. We said market will keep pushing to the upside to reach 85 level. This was the target, okay? So we go to this one. We've got this corrective structure. This was a contracting flat, and then we've got this upwave. Corrective structure up, and market reach 85 level here, and we've got a reaction up again. This is a trend continuation pattern. Market will give us a pullback anytime soon, and this pullback, it will be something similar to this one or bigger. You get me? So anytime we can start this corrective structure or a corrective structure similar to this one, or a move similar to this one. This is what I'm looking for. If we get this trap, this is the wave, this is the move that will be trading to the downside, and it will be actually a big move. You can make a lot of money if you are trading US oil. Okay? So dollar CAD, the next pair, again, crazy, fantastic. Guys, if you traded this up wave, you must have made a lot of money. Our traders made more than 10 to 1 in one single wave, in one single trade for this one. Let's go to the before again. This is the before here. This is dollar CAD, and we said we are expecting market to break these tops because we have liquidity. You remember that? Those of you remember, give us thumbs up and leave a comment. We said market will push to the upside to break these tops. Back to the charts, this is the before. Market gave us this trap, and then all the way up to break this top. We actually, we took the liquidity from above these tops, and then market started to fall after. What's next? If you made money again, if you remember this forecast, give us thumbs up and leave a comment, okay? Why I'm requesting you that, guys, and to watch till the end, because this will help YouTube algo to share this forecast to more traders. So if you can like, comment, watch till the end, and watch from more than one device, that will be appreciated, okay? So for this one, we've got this up wave. Congratulations for all of you who took this buy, and after that, we've got this trap. What's next? We are expecting now dollar CAD to fall, which means if we get a corrective structure, even if we get this break, no problem. If we get a corrective structure, one more fall will be coming. In other means, we are biased to the downside, and it will be a down move. Will this be one of our trades of the week? Again, we'll cover this during the Sunday session. And those of you who don't know, last week, this is what you have missed, by the way. Last week, we gave EURUSD to the upside as trade of the week, and all of you know where's the market now. We give pound yen to the upside and New Zealand yen to the upside as well. All the trades of the week have hit the target, okay? And as you can see, those trades of the week were shared on the 31st of March, which was last Sunday. All right, guys? So back to the charts. Dollar CAD, I think you've got the answer. Dollar yen for this one, market is correcting, and most probably we will get another push up. So looks like yen will get even more weaker. In other means, we are expecting market to push up again to break this top. This is a high probability chance move. And if this will go all the way up to touch 155, this is the next reaction level if market will go to this level, okay? So to make this clear, we are biased to the upside for dollar yen, okay? If you want to buy it, you have to be very careful on how to buy it, where to put stop loss, how to enter, how to exit. And if you want to sell this one, wait for market to break this top and potentially reach this level before the next sell. Bitcoin for this one, all of you know what is happening in the crypto market. We have the halving in 2 weeks time. So for this one, we are biased to the upside, and market didn't correct it as much as it should correct, which means I'm biased to the upside. I am bullish for Bitcoin, especially if this will give us one more drop. The next upwave will be big and huge. Like I said previously, we are not expecting market to break this low. And that's why from here, you see market went to the upside, pulled back up again. This forecast was from here, all right? Now, for this one, if this would turn out to be a pullback, market can push all the way up and break this top once more and again, okay? Pound yen, this was crazy. Again, this was one of our trades of the week, and this was, guys, 4 waves in advance. I'm repeating, this is only at weighted waves. You cannot get this one anywhere else, okay? This prediction. Let me show you the before, and I'll go to the after. I go to the trade, and we'll discuss this in detail. I believe the before for this one is here. Look at this. This was, again, last week's forecast. This before, 6 days ago. Look at this one. Market was here. We said push to the upside, drop, up, and drop, which means 1, 2, 3, 4 waves in advance. That's the power, guys, of knowledge. Everything is logical. I'll explain you why shortly, but everything is logical. Now, the good part or the best part is we are here to teach you how to do that. If you want to get the knowledge, you have only one single membership, which is WW membership. Guys, if you join now, let me just play this one, cover pound yen. I'll explain you next what I have in mind. So, this is the before. Let me show you. We said market push to the upside. Look at this, up, and after that, one more drop, up again, and then after this up wave, from 192 level, we're expecting market to fall. Crazy, isn't it? So back to the charts, look at this one. Let me go here. We've got this up wave, just to show you, we've got this up wave, we've got this drop, we've got this up move, and we've got this fall. I think nothing we can say regarding this, right? This is the power of knowledge. No one will be able to predict these sort of waves but us, okay? And the good part, I'm repeating, we were giving you this as trade of the week, and if you join us and learn our way, watch Weighted Wave Masterclass course, you will know how to enter, where to enter. We'll teach you all WTW strategies inside the Masterclass course. So this was, by the way, 5-to-1 trade from E3. It was crazy, fantastic, amazing. And if you took this sell, now is the time to move your stops to break even. Why is that? Because in case this is a potential expanding flat for now, okay? So if we get one more drop, this is one possibility, one scenario, because the next scenario will be covered by T tomorrow. If we get one more drop, you need to move your stops to break even and let the market unfold. Because we are expecting yen to get weaker, we might have a change of structure here. What I mean by change of structure, what are the next level? This will be covered by T tomorrow during the Sunday session. But what I can tell you, if we get a corrective structure here, another push-up will be coming, okay? In other means, for pound yen, for now, you should have made money trading this up wave and this down wave. Next, we have to wait. Euro New Zealand, for this one, you know that we're expecting the market to give us a pullback, and this was the drop. If you made money trading this drop, fantastic. Market can fall more. Yes, this is a potential corrective structure. So if you took a buy, just move your stops and manage your trades. If not, I'm biased to the downside, which means if we get a corrective structure, one more fall is very possible, okay? So for me personally, I'm biased to the downside for you, New Zealand. If we get the up wave, even if this will go to the upside to break this top, one more fall will be coming. I'm a seller for you, New Zealand. US30 for this one, another trade, another move. And again, let's go to the before. This was last week's forecast for US30. So we said market will correct, one push up, and then from 40K level, we are expecting a reaction. So let's go to the charts. This was the move here last week. Let me just zoom in. We've got a corrective structure, one push up, 40K level. It was here, and then the big fall. So yes, we're expecting market to fall after every new top from here. And then yes, we were making money trading this drop, trading this drop, trading this drop, and trading this drop, okay? Why is that? We will not buy US30 from these levels. Why? This is our trading style. This is what Weighted Wave concept is saying to us. If you want to buy it, go for it. We are not forcing you to buy or sell. We are here just to present our point of view, and if you are convinced with it, you go for it. If you want to jump blindly based on our concept, you will lose big. That's why it's very important to learn how to trade correctly, guys, before you risk your money. Nothing better than investing in yourself. Always remember that. And the best part is you have the solution. Grab this opportunity and learn how to trade correctly before you risk your money. Now, for US30, for this one, we've got this drop, corrective structure drop. Some of us are in the south. They are making a lot of money. What's next? If we get a corrective structure here, another drop will be coming. All right? If you took a sell, make sure to move your stops, take partial profits, and move the rest to break even. Those of you who are not in the sell, this up wave is still possible, but one more fall is expected. Okay? If we get this drop to take liquidity under these lows, now we'll look for the buy setups from these levels. Okay? For now, we're forecasting market to drop. We've got this down wave, and now is the time to manage trades. Those of you are biased to the upside, I suggest you to wait. We can see market dropping once more before the next upwave, even if they want to push market to the upside. What I can see personally is this is the first wave of the next big structure. More detail will be covered during the Q&A session on Wednesday regarding the structure here, regarding the big move. And with that note, I wish you guys a successful trading week. You trade with care, and see all of you next Saturday. And we trade waivers, we see you during the live sessions. Thank you very much. You trade with care.